We will talk about few other boxes, right. So, that is a fundamental idea behind the synthesis. Synthesis tool, you feed in an RTL code, be it Verilog or VHDL, and it will give you a gate level netlist. When you talk about gate level netlist, this means the design in terms of digital logic. This design now after synthesis has the flip flops, the AND gate, the OR gate, the MUX, the XOR, and so on. Then we talk about constraints. Constraints is another input to synthesis. Constraint tells what are my requirements for the realized gate level netlist. Okay. Think of your car remote. Your car remote, it is not necessary that it has to respond in nanoseconds. Even few milliseconds is good enough. But the battery for the car remote should last longer. Okay. On the other hand, think of a processor system. There you want the performance to be very high, so that it operates in the range of gigahertz. While for power, you can plug it into the power outlet. So, depending on your requirement, you will tell the synthesis tool what kind of realization it should do.